Hello, my babies. Lady Borgia here, and welcome back to my channel. It is finally Boxycharm March 2019. I can't believe it's the end of March. I normally get mine early in the month, but like many of you, I received that lovely email that said we don't know when we're sending it out. So just got here today in the pouring rain. We're going to jump into that in a second. Don't mind my eyes if they are watering like freaks. I have been trying and testing out and doing all kinds of things, which you cannot see, but you will soon because they are all videos coming to you. I've got PR, I've got new products, I've got tutorials coming, more special effects fantasy for those of you who love that. Storytimes, well, I'm not reviewing anything for that, but more. And by the way, if you are loving the blue on my eyelids, go and watch my review on the Kat Von D Vegan Love Palette. I did it last week. Yeah, review and tutorial. A lot of people don't know that it dropped. I happened to stumble across it. And oh, I've got a hint for that. So stay tuned. I'll give you a hint how you can save money on it at the end of the video. All right. I have no idea what's in this box because I don't look at spoilers, so I want to find out. Give a girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and ding 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 dong ding. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. Yeah! All right, I got the tape popped. I got the magnifying glass for the little print, and guess what? Your blind girl here, this is going to be the last time she needs it unless it's really small, because Inspector Gadget is getting her glasses tomorrow. I'm so excited. I have an appointment with the eye doctor. Thankfully, they weren't the like super expensive ones, so that's awesome. All right, hand in box. I'm going to grab something, and it is round and pink, and it says lift off. Oh, more Wander Beauty. All right. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I gotta catch up with all the other masks and whatnot that I haven't used yet. Alright, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. Sounds like my breakfast. Purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oils and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly. Yeah, those ones that I've seen that are painful, those don't look fun. Revealing a smoother, clear, and bright complexion. I'm all for that. I really like my own skin, so that's cool. MSRP $34. See what it smells like. I'm not going to take the whole thing out, but I don't detect a big smell. Hold on. I'm scared. I do this and then like I shoot it up my nose. You know how you like press it a little bit just to get air come out? Yep. You don't know how many products I have shot straight up my nose. That's... oh, it's horrible. Okay, not much smell to it, so that's great. Next, I feel a box, and it says Moda, and they're obviously brushes, powder, and soft glow. So let's check these out. I am going to do a tutorial on how to pick brushes, and there's actually a lot that goes into it. As a painter and artiste, I just don't prefer to paint on canvases. I paint on objects and people. So there is much more to it than is it soft. Okay. Not too bad so far. We'll have to see. They're definitely synthetic from what I can feel. Anyway, Moda brushes, powder, and soft glow kit. It's the ultimate dynamic duo. The two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. That's interesting. How do they know my desired look? That's kind of like what was it? Month before last when they did the universal brow pencil that was good for most brow shades and most skin tones. But where the freak is most? The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-tone synthetic brush hair makes this brush a perfect addition to your brush collection. MSRP $29.99 Motorose. Not too bad for 2 brushes. Pretty cool. All right, what is this? I feel roundness. Ooh, and sparkliness. Okay, and I believe it says appeal. Hold on. Bust this open. There's the garbage. No, I can't. Even filming, I can't just throw stuff on the floor. I want to smell it. Oh! Ooh, that's kind of a funny smell. It's a little brush, and let's see. Ooh. Alright, now let's find out what it is. It's definitely a brush, not a regular doe foot. Okay, let's hold this up. Appeal Cosmetic. Oh, it's liquid eyeshadow. Sweet. I have a nice collection of those. I'm always happy to add to it. This highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. Probably not mine, but anyway, moving on. Liquid form is a multi-dimensional shimmer. Your eye gives your eye look, giving it that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. All right, I think we're going a little far on that. Right, MSRP $21. Hey, if it's good, that's about the going rate. Hey. Wow, okay, that's almost dry already. Like, it's a little tacky still, but yeah, that's already dried down pretty well, and it's pretty blinding. So, and that is pretty true to color from what I can see in the monitor. All right. Oh no, it's another Ofra liquid lipstick, which I used to love their other ones. Unfortunately, the one that I got last time was a really gross butterscotch color. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. The one-step full color that does not feather. I don't have a problem with feathering, but I know people do. And if I'm going to have a problem, it's going to be like right here. This little teeny, like that much of the corner of my eye. If something's going to feather, it will be right there. So we all have our weird spots. It'll give you a new look. They're creamy, soft in texture, moisturizing to the lips, creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. I don't with liquid lipstick. Gives you a beautiful edge lip look. $20 MSRP. So, actually, this color does look a heck of a lot better than the one they gave me last time. So, we'll swatch her. Ooh, right here. I'm doing a horrible swatch. It looks like a kindergartner just did that. Yeah. Yeah, let's smooth that out. I feel bad. That's just like really bad. Okay. It's like a rose color. It's pretty. I almost want to put it on now, but what is in the bottom of the box? I feel something palette-like, but I don't know what it is, and it is cover effects. Okay, that's good. I love cover effects. It is highlighter and blush and bronzer. I know. I love highlighter. Not the biggest blush fan. I have like way more than probably the normal person, but like probably way less than a lot of people who love makeup and do beauty and fantasy and special effects and stuff like that. The highlighters do look cute. There's a finishing powder, a brightener, and a contour, which the contour actually looks kind of close to the powdered one that I use now, which is a bronzer. So let's see what it says. Let me pop her up. I don't know, I could love it. I've gotten actually some highlighters that I really freaking love through here. I almost started to list them, and I'm like, no, nobody wants to hear all the ones that you loved from here. But I am revamping my system, my storage system, yet again. The beginning of next month. I don't know, because it needs to happen again. So, I don't know. You guys sometimes want to see those things? Shall I show you? Shall I not? Let me know in the comments. Okay, anyway. Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, 6 must-have complexion essentials, and 1 travel-friendly palette. That seems to be like really a kicker for a lot of people. The talc-free formula, I do prefer that. Provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish. Brightener and finishing powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. And it is $45 MSRP. All right, like I'm seeing the lip and I'm seeing this and like I'm kind of seeing spring, rosy brushes. So they even have this like Wonder Beauty mask kind of like flowing with the whole thing. So I'm not mad. It looks pretty good this month. So far I'm not floored, but I haven't dug into that yet. So gonna be highlighting and checking it out. And I haven't gotten that shade of lipstick before, so I'm happy because for a while there they were sending me the same damn lipstick in different brands over and over. That's one thing. Boxycharm, please use your beauty quiz. Like a lot of people don't know, they don't use it to curate boxes, guys. They're like, well, we're just trying to tell, you know, preferences of our customers. Last time I checked, my eye color and skin color were not a preference. Kind of come with them. Hair, that's a different thing. Actually, my skin, I go in the sun for 5 minutes with 100 sunscreen and I turn like, whoomp. It's that Italian. Yeah, the Borgia. All right. Wish me well tomorrow at my eye appointment. I had a doctor's appointment today. So we are taking care of the body, which you should too. I will have the health, wellness, and lifestyle rolling very soon. I'm only going to do 1 or 2 of those a month, but they are really helpful for everyone. You don't have to have an autoimmune disease. Oh, and I tell you how you can potentially save on your new Vegan Love Palette. If you go to katvondbeauty.com and sign up for her email notifications and or her text notifications, I get both. Often they will send you a discount code the first time as a thank you for signing up. If not, and I think the text one especially, because they're trying to get people to sign up by text. And then usually they send you stuff right after as well. I signed up and not only did I get 20% off with I use for this palette, but then I got an early notice that a couple days later they did a 25% off friends and family, which I went in and got more stuff, which you will see soon. But it was stuff that I really wanted to try and waited. So that is my little tip towards you. And she does not exclude this palette like most companies do for new products. She included this. So it's, you know, a really nice thing for us. And so she can continue to donate to Mercy for Animals. Go get your palette, babies. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I love you all. I really do. Okay, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and ding, 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 dong, ding. I love doing that with lipstick. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, like my videos that are fun, make you laugh, and learn stuff, and tutorials and stories. All right, that's enough now. I'm gonna leave, but I'll see you soon. I'm gonna be making lots of stuff this weekend. All right, love you all. Your blue friend, Lady Borgia.